Hello, my alien students. Welcome back. Hope everyone is doing well. So, this is the story for today. I'm starting a new Revit architecture course, which is going to be designing this building from scratch. Okay, so this is the final product, this is the final render. Just want to give you a side note. I've designed the whole building in Revit. Okay, we're going to learn how to draw the ramp, place cars, the railings, everything in Revit. Okay, the work, everything we're going to do it in Revit. But then the final touch, you can't have this level of accuracy or this level of detail in Revit. We'll be doing another software where we do this extra detail for rendering. Okay, but the whole structure is in Revit. Okay, so we're going to start with floor plan. This is the floor plan for the you know building. We're going to start from scratch, so we will start from the Revit, a blank screen. So probably in the next coming, let's say coming classes, or yeah, I'll teach you how to do it. So we're going to start it from scratch, okay? So yeah, so this is the story for today. I hope everybody enjoyed this class. Just kind of a trailer of a movie. So once we start, we the moving forward, we keep adding stuff and slowly moving forward. Okay, hope everybody enjoyed this class. See you everyone in the next class. Yalla, bye.